Y'all, I'm about to record. Be quiet. You gotta go to the bathroom. Go now. Last warning. I'm about to record. Don't come out here. About to do a YouTube video. Cut that show off. I'm trying to record. Hey y'all, welcome. I'm Shantae. Today I'm showing y'all how I clean my induction range cooktop. Before cleaning, make sure you read your manual. What's right or okay for me to use for my induction top may not be right for you to use. Let's start with daily cleaning. So every day after each use, I wait for the stove top to cool off, and then I take a wet soft rag, no soap, just water, and I wipe it down. Now, while I'm cooking, if I do have a spill, I do go ahead and take a paper towel and wipe the spill up so that it won't get all crusty and hard. I take a spray bottle of vinegar and just spray lightly the stove top, and then I take a dry rag and then I wipe up the stove. And this time I'm doing it in a little circular motion. Make sure you don't forget the edges. Spot cleaning, I use this. It's Weiman's glass cooktop heavy duty cleaner and polish. So say this is the stubborn stain. You're going to get a new paper towel or dry new cloth, new soft cloth, and you're just going to go in circular motions until the stain is removed. You only need a little bit of this stuff, and I put too much for a make-believe stain. The worse the stain or the tough spot, I leave this product on longer. So let it sit on top of the tough spot, depending on how bad that spot is. And or you can just keep repeating the process until the stain is removed. Once the stain is removed, then all I do is just take a paper towel, and remember this is for spot cleaning, and then I just, swirl it back and forth just to get any of the remaining product off and buff it up. And then you're done for your spot cleaning. Last but not least, this is how I do my monthly cleaning. After you've shaken this up very well, you're just going to put little dabs on the stove top. Just like this, or do it however you want. Get fancy, get creative with it, have fun with it, put your music on, jam to it. So after you squirt a little of the product on the stove, you're going to make sure you just swirl your soft toothbrush along the edges, just to get all that stuff that's been caked up in here over the last month. And I even hit this spot up here too on top of the oven. Okay, now that you've taken care of your edges, you're just going to take your toothbrush and go in circular motions. So just like this over the complete stove. So I've had my induction stove top for a couple of years now, at least 2 years, and I've never had a tough, stubborn spot that I couldn't remove or get off my stovetop without using this product. So if I do come across a spot like that, I'll do another video, because I do know that some people use scrapers and things like that, but this soft, brittle toothbrush is good enough for me, and all of the other steps that I showed you before, they've worked out well, so I haven't run across any problems. Y'all done enlisted my son's help so I can hurry up and get done. You love helping mommy, baby?
Yeah.
So after you rub in the glass cooktop product very well, you're going to take a new paper towel, a new dry paper towel, and you're just going to go over and just buff it. And I did most of that just for time purposes, but now I'm going to show y'all before I close out this video how I clean my stainless steel top, the stainless steel part of the stove. For the stainless steel part of the oven, I just get a new rag, a new cleaning rag, and I just put a very tiny amount of Dawn dish soap on here, and then I just scrub it and wipe it down real good. After that dries, I just take a cotton ball, dab it with a little bit of olive oil, and then I go over my stainless steel. Again, this is only once a month that I do this kind of deep cleaning to maintain my oven.